Can a single battery really work with so many smartphone models? If you own a mobile phone shop or work in mobile repair, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch until the end. Hello friends, welcome to ASMAT Mobile Zone. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing universal battery that is compatible with multiple OPPO and Realme smartphone models. If a customer comes to your shop for a battery replacement, this battery is compatible with many popular models including OPPO 2020, OPPO Ju 2020, OPPO IE, OPPO IEX, Realme 5, Realme 5i, Realme 5S, Realme 6i, Realme C3, Realme C11, Realme C11 2021, Realme C20, Realme C20A, Realme C20A, Realme C21, Realme C21Y, Realme C25Y. This single battery can be used with all of these supported devices. The biggest advantage is simple. You don't need to keep a different battery for every model. Keep one compatible battery in stock, save money, reduce inventory, and provide faster service to your customers. If you enjoy videos about universal batteries, universal displays, FRP bypass, hard reset, jumper solutions, and professional mobile repair tips, make sure you subscribe to ASMAT Mobile Zone, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest upload. If this video helped you, share it with your fellow mobile repair technicians.